Welcome back on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel once again. In previous videos, I had uploaded past papers and sample paper of BS Nursing. This is the biology MCQs or biology portion from sample paper of BS Nursing issued by National Testing Service. So here we go. Question number 18. Protists that are simple in form produce energy through photosynthesis and lack true tissues. Differentiations are known as A. Algae, B. Viruses, C. Bacteria, D. Petrodophytes. And the correct option is A. Algae. Question number 19. In gymnosperms, dash is not differentiated into stigma, style and ovary. A. Calyx, B. Gynoecium, C. Androecium, D. Corolla, E. Carpel. And the correct answer is E. Carpel. Question 20. The term Homo sapiens is an example of A. Phylum class, B. Phylum order, C. A complete classification, D. Individualized identification, E. Binomial nomenclature. And the correct answer is E. Binomial nomenclature. The term Homo sapiens is an example of binomial nomenclature. Now comes question number 21. The reproductive organ in a tapeworms are A. Absent, B. Located in each segment, C. Well developed, D. Both B and C. And the correct option is D. Both B and C. The reproductive organs in tapeworms are located in each segment and well developed. Subscribe Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. Biology MCQs and past papers of BS Nursing are uploaded on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. Links are given in the description box.